Okay, so I have just put the CPU a little bit off to that side. So now I will be closing this, and remember this is a bridge, so you can uh, hook it up there. By the way, I've disconnected the CD-ROM and the floppy drive because these things are, I believe, so obsolete. So you can use them if you know have a Windows DVD or something like that, but I have these two USB drives which I have Windows 10 in them. So I will be installing the Windows from these USB drives. By the way, I did install and experiment a lot of these machines with the Windows 7 build as well, and I have some troubles and issues, not the machine wise, but the software wise, because the more programs and the softwares are getting evolved, they are more and more utilizing new features of Windows. So I will be going for the Windows 10, I believe so.